Hi there. In this Vesta review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you turn any WhatsApp account into a hands-free money-making machine, thanks to the power of AI. Stick around, because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades OTOs, so you'll know exactly what's inside before hitting that buy button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I've been a six-figure affiliate marketer for over 6 years, helping thousands of people discover proven tools that make online income easier and faster. If that sounds like your jam, hit the like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Quick heads up, exclusive bonus alert. Before we dive in, I've cooked up some exclusive high-value bonuses for anyone grabbing Vesta through my link below. DFY WhatsApp campaign templates, my AI traffic blueprint, high-converting WhatsApp message scripts. They're all waiting inside Warrior Plus after checkout. Don't miss them. What is Vesta? Vesta is a brand new, cloud-based AI app that turns your personal or business WhatsApp account into a lead gen and sales machine. Using its built-in AI miracle bot, it can send, reply, and engage users, automatically promoting your affiliate links, offers, and even done-for-you campaigns, all hands-free. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, list builders, coaches, anyone looking to monetize WhatsApp with zero tech skills. No need to code, hire devs, or build websites. It's plug, play, and profit. Standout features that caught my eye. WhatsApp automation with AI. Send DMs, follow-ups, promos on autopilot built-in campaigns. You get proven DFY templates that are already making money. Zero tech required. If you can click buttons, you're good to go. No hosting needed. 100% cloud-based, perfect for beginners and pros. It adapts to your level. And the best part? You can get started today for just $9.95. That's less than the price of a sandwich. How does it work? It's super simple. Step 1. Log in to Vesta and connect your WhatsApp. Step 2. Choose a done-for-you campaign or build your own. Step 3. Hit send and let the miracle bot do its thing. Whether you're selling affiliate offers, services, or digital products, Vesta helps you get results faster. Let's check out a quick demo so you can see Vesta in action. Vesta Funnel Breakdown. What you'll see after purchase. Here's a quick rundown of the upgrades so you know exactly what's worth grabbing. OTO 1. Vesta. Unlimited. 147. Removes all limits, unlocks full features, and gives you unlimited campaigns and traffic. Must have if you're serious. OTO 2. DFY Setup. $297. The team sets everything up for you. Perfect if you want zero work. Pricey, but hands-off. OTO 3. Autopilot Edition. $39 activates full automation tools. Great value for letting your business run on autopilot. OTO 4. 200 DFY campaigns. $39. Get 200 proven, high-converting campaigns that have already made them $50,000. Fastest path to profit. OTO 5. Franchisee license, $197. Earn 85% commissions across the funnel and promote it as your own product. Ideal if you're an affiliate like me. What I like about Vesta. Beginner-friendly, no tech or list needed. Leverages WhatsApp. One of the highest open rate platforms today. Comes with 200 plus DFY campaigns. Just plug and profit AI powered. Saves tons of time. What could be improved? The core version is limited. You'll want the unlimited upgrade. It's not a magic push-button ATM. You'll still need to put in smart effort. If you're looking for a low-cost, beginner-friendly way to start making money online in 2024, Vesta is absolutely worth checking out. It helps you tap into WhatsApp, a goldmine most people ignore, automate your promos, and scale your income with little to no tech skills. Click the link below, grab it while it's still under $10, and claim my powerful bonuses to fast-track your success. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments. What do you think of Vesta? Will you be using WhatsApp for marketing? Smash that. Like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more no BS reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off.